Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Merely on Time Watch Reviews. I'm Chris, I unbox and review budget watches. Today I'm doing something completely different. I'm doing a different style of unboxing video. Hi from the Boldr Watch Company was kind enough to send me a watch to unbox and review. I have the Boldr Odyssey Freediver on hand today. This is going to be a simple unboxing video. No first impressions, no comments. It's just an unboxing set to music. You'll get to see the watch, see the dimensions of the watch. Super Callie has a new battery and she's back in action. And so I would really appreciate your input. I plan on doing future unboxing videos just like today's, where you'll get to see the watch up close, get an idea of what it looks like, and then I'll do a full review of the watch in a few days' time. I want to thank you, Hi, and the Boldr Watch Company for entrusting me with this watch to review. The future unboxing videos won't have an introduction like this. I just wanted to kind of get the idea out there of the new format. And again, let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this. So here it is. This is the unboxing of the Boldr Odyssey Freediver. A really very cool dive watch.